Hey, Bear Bear, come say hi. Come say hi. Come here. Oh my goodness. Hi. Say hi to everyone. Say hi, everyone. Come sit. All right, sit. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It's April 16th. It's gorgeous out. However, it's only in the 40s, but it's so nice here when the sun is shining. So I'm here getting some vitamin D. I am so excited about this gardening season. I'm growing so many different varieties of vegetables. I'm also growing all kinds of flowers. I am so excited. All right, so if you're ready, let's go. So let's start with my seedlings here on my kitchen floor. They're getting some nice sun through the patio window. I do have grow lights, but when it's nice and sunny out, I put them here to get some sun. We have south-facing windows, and it helps with growing healthy seedlings. I'm growing zinnias for the first time. This variety is called the California Giant Zinnia. They are great for attracting bees and butterflies into your garden. They grow up to 3 feet tall and have semi-double flowers that grow up to 5 inches wide. I have cilantro here, and I'll grow them indoors because cilantro bolts when temperatures reach 80 degrees. I'll grow some of the spinach indoors also. Here's basil. You can grow all leafy greens and herbs indoors. I have so many different pepper varieties this year. Here are my onion seedlings. I'm growing 3 varieties. The roots are so easy to separate that they can be grown all clumped up like this until they're ready to be transplanted outdoors. Onion seedlings are not very frost tolerant, so they will need to be protected with a frost blanket. I'm growing sweet potatoes for the first time, and I am just flabbergasted how the slips are growing. This one is the Purple Stokes sweet potato. I thought that I'll lose this potato due to rot, but I just cut the potato in half, and look at this growth. Look at these roots. I am just in awe. There are at least 20 slips. If you want to grow sweet potatoes this year, depending on your region, it might be too late to start growing slips. However, you can order slips online that are ready to be transplanted into your garden. I'm growing nasturtium for the first time also. Their leaves and flowers are edible and have medicinal properties. This variety is called Peach Melba, and they're non-trailing. They have gorgeous looking flowers. However, they're an insect magnet, and I'll grow 1 plant under insect netting. I was able to germinate old celery seeds. However, only 3 strong seedlings remained. Celery seeds are the toughest seed to germinate, and it's a difficult vegetable to grow, and it needs very special growing conditions. Here I'm growing broccoli, rainbow Swiss chard, and triple curled parsley. I have the California Wonder Peppers and the Grand Bell Pepper mix. I'm growing 11 varieties of tomatoes this year. These need to be up-potted soon. Here's the ground cherry. The seedlings are so tiny compared to regular tomato seedlings. And there's more basil. This is the toothache plant, or Spilanthes, native plant in Brazil. It is a very unique looking plant. It has medicinal properties and anti-inflammatory properties. Here is the black-seeded Simpson lettuce. This is the red sweet potato. Look at all of these leaves. They are beet red. Absolutely gorgeous. The camera does not do it justice. It's more beautiful in person. You just have to grow them yourself. Even if you don't plan on growing sweet potatoes, it makes beautiful houseplants. These are romaine lettuce seedlings. I need to up-pot them. I'll grow all lettuce in containers this year. And I will grow most of the leafy greens under insect netting. Next is the collard greens. I would plant them in my raised beds. This is the Romanesco broccoli. And this is a lavender cutting that I grew last year from seed. Alright, so let's go outside. This is the red gooseberry bush I received from a friend 2 years ago. And just planted it in this whiskey barrel planter, and it has produced nice little berries for me. I have to fertilize it and add compost to the container. This is Artemisia, or silver mound plant. It has been growing in the same container for 10 years now. You can't kill this plant even if you wanted to. It's so hardy. Strawberries are growing nice and healthy leaves. Sage overwintered, and thyme as well. Chives are growing nicely. And look at the gorgeous garlic leaves. I have spinach here, and it looks like something already nibbled on it. I'll grow more spinach under insect netting in containers. So I planted 2 ornamental alien bulbs in my garden beds last fall just to have a visual interest in the garden. I just can't believe how well this garlic is growing. These are the purple garlic and the German extra hardy varieties. I'll be garlic rich in the summer, and I'll make a garlic harvest video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. I've been growing peas in the same spot for many years now, and they're doing just fine. I'm using a small tomato cage to support them. I planted peas all around the cage 3 inches apart. This is the soft neck garlic variety called Nootka Rose. Just 1 garlic bulb contained 13 cloves. Now I will be able to grow garlic for free year after year. It's so easy. You can even grow garlic in containers. Here I have yellow onions, bunching onions, and Italian parsley growing from last year. This is a wild columbine flower. It appeared in my backyard, I think 3 years ago, and now it lives here. It grows lovely, delicate flowers. And lastly, the raspberry bush. Look at these new raspberry canes. I planted this raspberry last year, and I'm hoping to have many raspberries this year. I can't wait. There's just nothing better than a freshly picked fruit. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour, and there's more videos to come out. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, my gardening friends.